In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you want to create a simple website for personal use or something more elaborate for your business, being able to organize content into columns can provide structure, improve readability, and make your site look more professional. Let's dive into the process to get your site looking polished with just a few straightforward steps. First, you need to head over to Google Sites. Open your browser and type in Google Sites, then hit Enter. You'll want to click on the first result, which will take you directly to the Google Sites main page. If it's your first time using Google Sites, you might find it helpful to explore a bit. But for our purposes, we'll go straight to creating a new site. Once you're on the page, click on the plus blank button to start a new site. This will give you a fresh canvas to work with. Think of this as your blank slate, ready to be customized. Now think about where you'd like to add those columns. Simply hover your mouse over the area where you want them to appear. Keep in mind the layout and design you're aiming for, as this will guide your decisions. Next, it's time to insert text. There are two primary ways to get those columns set up. First, click on Add Text in the toolbar. This is the perfect moment to consider what you want each column to say. Once you've added your text content, you can adjust the size of the text box by clicking on it and dragging the corners until you achieve the desired width. Don't forget that you can create multiple text boxes and align them side by side to form neat columns. Alternatively, you can choose from different layout options available on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you have a variety of column options to choose from, be it a single column, 2 columns, 3 columns, or even more. Select the one that best fits your needs. This method is ideal if you are looking for a more guided layout structure to work with. Once your columns are in place, personalize the text by adding a title or subtitle if necessary. This is where you get to be creative and ensure that each part of your content speaks directly to your audience. Lastly, there's a plus icon in the toolbar. By clicking this, you're able to add images, videos, or other media to embellish your page further. And there you have it, a quick and effective guide on adding columns to your Google site. It's that simple to enhance your site's layout and make it look both organized and inviting. Make sure to save your work and preview your site to check how everything looks before publishing. Happy site building!